These are the tires I've already done. It's actually really easy. There's one part of this whole process that's real time consuming and tedious. But so far that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did it with this one tire. I have one tire left. So let me get to it and show you the steps. First thing you need is acetone. And I was using the yellow rags before, but I'm just using these white terry cloths. You take it, I only got one hand, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. You take it, I've been soaking the rag, but I've been keeping enough so that it doesn't get all over my rim, because I don't want this acetone touching the rim of my the paint on my rim. And then I've already measured everything out. I've been using the T, the end of the T and the beginning of the T. For Toyo, the O it starts at T, and tire, the beginning of the T starts at this end of the T. And then I've been putting the flag, I've just been spacing it by an eighth of an inch. Yep, pretty much you just do this. Do this to clean it right here. You see, I've been cleaning it already a little bit before I started the video. Let me pick up my glue. Oh my God, come on. Right there. All right, but pretty much clean it. You just keep doing this. This is a repeat process. I've been doing it about 45 minutes per tire. 45 minutes of it is just me putting acetone with a rag, listening to music, doing this. I already measured it out, so I already know it's gonna be from back here to right here. So I already know that much. I already know I'm gonna use the T as spacer. On the bottom, on where it says proxies, I use the O. I just place the word proxy, O over the O. But this is it. This is how you do it. It doesn't take a shitload of glue, but I've been putting a lot of it. I've been using a lot. This is nothing but crazy glue, so if you run out, you can just pretty much go to the store and buy it in bulk at Home Depot. But this is how I've been doing it. I've been lining up the edges of the words, just like this. See, up, go back on it. Make sure I touch it a little bit. Wherever it misses, trying to spread it out. Just like that. Let me go back a little bit. There we go. Just like that, and then I touch the middle. I guess you don't need too much, but I'm touching it with the glue bottle as I do it. But every edge, I hit it real good, and in the center, I just touch it like this. Try to put enough. All right. Oh, I don't like how that right there. Need some more glue right there. Make sure it's all spread around. Make sure the edge is real good, because I don't want no mistakes. I don't want nothing coming off. All right. Now, we're gonna put it on. Before, I've been using two hands, but I'm gonna do it with one hand. See if I can do it with one hand. I'll put it on like that. I line it up right there with the T. Place it, place it, place it, place it. Place it on real gentle so that I have a line. I'm using the line of my tire. Oh, fuck, slipped. I need two hands to do this. I have to turn it off real quick. Oh yeah, I gotta turn it off real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off and do it, and I'll turn it back on. All right, so that's the first piece right there. That is the first piece. All I did pretty much was I used both my hands and I held it on like that. But if you can see, I have a line on my tire. I'm using the inside for the top of the letter, and I'm using the bottom line for the bottom of the letter. So it fits 1.25 inches. These are 1.25 inch letters. Works perfect. I actually got these letters from Customs with 3 Z's on eBay. So they're actually really good quality. Let me show the letters. See, that's how thick they are, 1 millimeter. They're made of some kind of a leather. Actually, they feel like if you were to take a basketball or a football and cut letters into them. That's exactly what they feel like. Feels just like a basketball, the outside of a basketball. Let me show you real close. You can see kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like it feels just like a basketball. It's leather. This one's been on for a long time. I forgot to take the plastic off. I switched to the back tire. Let me show you. Just peel it right off like that. And that's it. But I'm working on this tire right now. So I pretty much, I held it for 30 seconds. I held it like that for 30 seconds, let it go. And then you wait 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute, and then you take the clear plastic off. And I'm gonna start the next one. It goes right here, tires. I'm gonna start gluing it. I guess I don't need to record this. You guys already seen me glue the Toyo part. But here's me taking it off. I'm gonna take off the plastic now. This is like, it's kind of like a really thick clear tape. Just gotta pull it off gently, real gently. Oh fuck, the glue came off, got it on my car. Oh fuck. See, it's still kind of wet. But it's strong enough that it'll stay on. See? That's it. If you notice, it's glue all the way around the edges of the tires. It's actually good. Tomorrow when we wake up, it's gonna be crusty. It dries real hard. You want that glue around the edges. It keeps the tires on there. I'm just gonna take a razor and chip away all the way around it and make it clean. Or you can leave it, it's gonna come off. Now I'm putting the tires on right there. I've already lined it up. Now all I gotta do is press it. I'm trying to be able to film it all. This is me holding it. So pretty much, you can see I pressed it on. I gotta go back to holding it, but I just want to show you how I lined it up. And now I'm gonna press it for 30 seconds. And now take, oh yeah, give me that. Now take that one. For sake of keeping all of them the same, I pretty much marked them at an 1/8. I'm trying to record, so I'm just gonna look at a spot on the tire at the 1/8 mark, and I'm gonna try to pick up this pin and I'm gonna mark it. You see, this is how I do it at work. Right there. This is just like a, right there, that's good enough. Like a way for me to be able to know how close I am to an 1/8. But pretty much I just, now I'm putting the red flag on for the, in front of the Toyo tires. Pretty much I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds. Now it's time to pull it off. The clear coat, I mean it's adhesive tape or whatever. Boom, that's it. That's what it looks like. Now I have to pull the car forward because I need the proxy at the bottom. It's down here in the corner. Down there, I need that corner down there. So I'm gonna pull the car forward about 2 or 3 feet. Turn it off while I do that. See, I have the word letters down there, the word proxy right here. Now I gotta clean this. So it's gonna be the center. It's probably gonna be the end right here, all the way back here. I gotta clean it. So back to it again. I only have one hand, so I'm just gonna pour it under like that, let it soak through. And the first time I do it, I soak it down real good. Acetone on the white rags, do over, wash, rinse, repeat. I'm gonna do this so many times. So I'm gonna do this as many times as I can, and as many times as I have to, and I'm gonna turn the camera back on. It'll be about 30 minutes. Okay, now I'm done doing the cleaning the proxy side, but let me show you guys something that I've been learning over this last 30 minutes that I've been scrubbing. If you soak the rag really hardcore, right, on one side, and you do it, you see how it turns white? I'm not white, it turns wet like that, right? I keep doing this over and over, it turns wet, and you go to a dry side, it cleans so much faster. Oh my God, let it soak in there, clean, soak. And don't let it touch the rim. And that's pretty much what I've been doing. but for 30, 45 minutes. Now I do a little test. Let me see. I take a clean part of the white rag. It used to be white, but I just soaked it. And I take it and I say, okay, is it dirty? No. Is any dirt come off? A little bit came off. Let me see. A little bit came off. Let me see. No. A little bit, but not a lot. Okay, I fell down. Hold on, wait. Let's see. Now I gotta go to the top. Nothing. 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 And that's the only spots it's gonna be used. Months ago, I stopped using oils on my. I stopped using oils like Armor All and I don't know, any kind of tire shine gel. I stopped using on the tires months ago. I just been cleaning them, and now when I clean it, it took me about 45 minutes to clean it. So, I mean, figure how long it's gonna take you. All right, now I've put it on, but I've run out of glue. I have no more glue. It was a 3/4 filled bottle. If it were filled all the way, I probably would have had enough, but I did not. So I'm gonna finish it right now and go to Home Depot tomorrow and get some more crazy glue, which is pretty much all this is. And I'll finish it up and then show you outside finished product in the sunlight. All right, I'm back. Last night I ran out of glue while I was doing the letters. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up some glue because the original glue that I was using ran out. I probably put too much glue on all the other decals. I wanted to make sure the letters didn't come off. But yeah, so I ran out of glue and I went to Home Depot, and to my surprise, so this is the glue that came in the package. This glue came in the package with the decals. I went to Home Depot and I looked for glue that was super glue that was really good, and this is what I found. So the one they sent me is by DAP. It's called Rapid Fuse. Let me flip this around. So it's by DAP, Rapid Fuse. It's sets in 30 seconds, tougher than polyurethane, 40% stronger, 2 times more durable than super glue. So I guess it's not exactly a super glue, but if you read the directions on the back, it says it's pretty much everything you need. It's the Rapid Fuse sets in 30 seconds, cures in 30 minutes, bonds clear, no expanding foam, no dripping glue, no mess, indoor and outdoor use. So yeah, this glue is absolutely perfect to put on for these letter decals. Side by side, this is the glue they sent me. I guess they just took the labels off, and as it's been rubbed in the dirt, you can see the glue from the label. The dirt is sticking to the glue on the label, but it ended up being the exact same thing. Works great though. So I stopped last night, so I ran out of glue. I didn't put a whole lot of glue on there. So if you can see, a lot of the letters are still moving and coming off, unlike the other ones. Let me see, if I touch it, can you see it? Can you see it moving? Can you see it lifting up? Some spots did better, but other ones didn't. So here we go, right there, boom. See, you can see it's still moving in there. It didn't fuse too good, so I'm gonna fill that up with glue. And in comparison, if you see the parts that I used a lot of glue, you see it doesn't move. It's on there good. So let me go ahead and put this, all I have left is one piece. It's the only piece I have left, and then I'm gonna fill it in. And then I'm gonna pull the car out so you can see how it all looks. So once again, I put it on. It's the final piece. I'm putting it on, I'm gonna slide it down. I'm gonna put my hand on it like this. Hold it for 30 seconds. Now, since last night I ran out of glue, I'm gonna try to fill in all the dead spaces with glue. See if this works. Because if you can notice, there's no extra glue going around the letters on this one because I ran out. Like you can see on this one, you see there's a lot of extra glue that I gotta go back and chip off, if I even care that much. Let me see. I was looking for all the loose spots, and I'm just gonna hit it with a little extra glue. Can you see that? Can you see that? So I'm gonna try to get some glue back there Try to do it like this. Move it around and see if it'll go back there. See if I can just fill it up with glue. And after this, I'm just gonna pull it out so we can see. Now that's the end result. So this is it right here. We go around. That is the end result. But if you notice, that's those two boards down there, that's my ramp so I can get in and out of the garage. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And the tire kit, the decal tire kit, came from Customs with 3 Z's, Custom, ZZZ, on eBay. Go ahead, go check him out. He has a good product. I like it.